Hey guys, thank you for clicking on this video because you didn't have to, but while you're here, please like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. But anyways, well, y'all know what you click on this video for. It's for these soft lock twists or these butterfly twists or the de-stress twist or whatever you want to call it. Whatever you want to call it. I call them the soft lock twist or the distress twist. There's a lot of names for them, but I want to come on here and do this intro. As you can see, I already did my hair, and it's been a couple days. It's been about four days, I think, since I did it. I used the free twist water wave hair and also passion twist hair. Most people use the Locs crochet locks. I already dreaded, but I decided to do something different and use the passion twist crochet hair because I wanted like the curly ends, so I thought that hair would be best for me. So like I said, again, I used the crochet passion twist hair and also the free twist water wave hair to wrap the crochets. As you will see all that in the video once it starts. So a little bit about this hair is it's not cheap. Well, to me, it's not cheap. This hair was like $11 a pack at the beauty supply store that I went to. And I had to use up to 4 packs. So to me, it wasn't cheap. Because used crochet hair is like $6.99, I think. And I had used 2 packs of the water wave hair because in order to twist it, you have to use 2 pieces. And some of them was 3 pieces. Like the longer ones like this, I used 3 pieces of the hair. So, and it took me like, altogether it took, I say 4 hours. I kept stopping, watching TV, I stopped to eat and all that. But all in all, it would have taken me about 4 hours. And yeah, some people get them shorter. So of course you cut the time in half, maybe take you 2 hours. If you get the rhythm of the wrapping, it's not that bad at all. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I got these, and I love them. When I say I love these, I love them. I love the way they look. I love the vibe they give and all that. But if you guys want to see how I got these locks, please continue to watch. As you can see, I already twisted my hair up, which made the process a little faster if you go ahead and twist your hair up. Or braid it, whichever is best for you. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in a ponytail over to the side. And I'm gonna show you guys the hair I'm using. The hair that I'm using to wrap with is the free twist braids. And this is the water wave 22-inch. And I'm also using, instead of me getting the regular crochet locks, I decided to get the passion twist crochets because it has a little curly end, and I wanted that, so I decided to get the passion twist. And I got the 24 length. This is how it looks when you take it out of the pack. Okay. I have one. So I'm gonna take one of my twists out of my holder, and this is what it looks like. So This the loop. That's how I hold mine. Hold it however you want. I'm gonna put, make sure I'm close. I'm gonna put the crochet through the twist. I'm gonna hook it on, just hook it on, and then I'm gonna close the latch here, right here. I'm gonna pull it through, push it back through. I'm gonna take my hair, put it on the hook, close it, and pull it through. And then pull it just like that. Don't worry, I'm gonna show you guys again once I finish this one. So, okay. And then I'm gonna take my water wave hair, the features hair, and divide it. I'm divided in two. And if I feel like I need more hair to twist with, then I just add more hair. But you need 2 parts so that you can wrap all the way down. Because this, just one is not gonna go all the way down. You need 2. Okay. Like, I like to pull mine apart so it can be a little bigger and messier, because I'm going for the messy look. Okay. I'm gonna take it, put this underneath, put this underneath, just like that, and hold it with my right hand. I'm left-handed, so most of everything I do with my left hand. So I wrap with my left hand, and I'm gonna hold with my right hand. So I'm gonna twist. I'm gonna twist about 3 times at the root. 2, 3. And once I do that 3rd twist, I'm just twist and start going downwards. Oh, sorry. I said sorry. The hell? Okay. And I'm just twist without even making sure it's neat. I'm just twisting. However you want, just twist. Just twist. So you see how this stops here? All you're gonna do is take the other piece. This is why you need 2 pieces. Take this and just add it on top of this piece, that part, and start wrapping again. Okay, so once you get to the end, I knot mine. Some people don't, but I'm knot mine. So I'm gonna knot it and pull it through. I'm gonna do that again and again. Okay, and then I'm left with this at the end. And that's what I have. This one came out a little neater than what I wanted it to, but that's okay. Sometimes that happens. So I'm show you guys how I do one more. Take another one out. Got another one. Push the crochet needle through to the other side. Put it on the hook. Close the latch. Come down. Pull it back through. Put your hair on there. Close the latch and pull your hair through. And then pull it together. My right hand, and I'm gonna put my hair behind the braid, hold it again, and twist with my left hand. Twist 1, 2, 3 at the root. You can twist as many times as you feel comfortable, but I'm gonna twist 3 because I feel like that's tight enough. So, and then I'm just start twisting downwards. So I'm gonna keep doing this, doing the same thing, and I'm coming back to you guys when I'm done. So you can continue watching, but I'm speed the video up. So yeah, continue watching, and I'm gonna come back and talk to you guys once I'm done.